at that. Well, welcome to Adobe Summit, everybody. It's awesome to feel the energy in this room. And for the thousands of people joining us online, really appreciate you joining us and to be connecting with you.
Today, we're announcing the beta of something called Adobe Firefly. Firefly is a family of Adobe-owned generative models specifically created for content generation for creative output.
We're also announcing a family of Sensei Gen AI services. Anticipate that over time, generative AI will really help us reimagine every aspect of marketing.
Now is the time to get after your digital transformation. We have a unique window of opportunity where our customers are familiar with digital, where we have, through partnerships with companies like Adobe, the tools and the experiences that allow us to be successful.
Embrace change in your careers and in your lives, and it's not going to be easy, but you're really going to appreciate it.
It's great to be back together. Thank you, and see you tomorrow, everybody.